Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Ovega-3 Vegan Algae Omega-3 Daily Supplement 500 mg Omega-3s, 135 mg EPA, 270 mg DHA, fish oil alternative. No fish equals no fishy aftertaste. 60 vegetarian soft gels. This is an absolutely essential purchase for vegans, vegetarians, and anyone else looking for a source of omega-3 not derived from fish. There are only a few other algae-based omega-3 supplements on the market, and they tend to be pricey. Many fish-based omega-3 supplements go bad fairly soon at normal room temperatures in the south and southwest. It is sealed with plastic over the cap, and then a seal on the bottle. As far as strength, one gel cap of Ovega is 270 mg DHA and 135 mg EPA. So the pro is that the capsules contain 120 mg more DHA and 130 mg more EPA than the DHA supplements. DHA and EPA work in different ways, and most people require more DHA than EPA, which is undoubtedly why Ovega-3 has more DHA than EPA in it. Therefore, one cannot make a total mg to total mg comparison of these two supplements, only a total DHA to total DHA, and total EPA to total EPA comparison. If you choose to forego fish, as our family has in going vegan, this is a wonderful supplement to bring into your diet in replacement. Contacted the company to see if that was how it was supposed to smell. It was as strong as a fishy smelling omega-3 soft gel, though not really a fishy smell, and the woman on the phone was unfriendly, bordering on rude. This is horrible. Had the tablet twice, and both times fell sick with high fever. Needs to be tested. However, what they don't tell you is the fact that it's banned in multiple countries for its detrimental effects. While they do have an odor, it's nothing like some of those fishy capsules out there, no aftertaste at all. Adding to its benefits is the fact that it is derived from algae, and the encapsulation is a vegetarian source. Joanna Bachman conducted studies on mice showing how exposure to even small amounts of carrageenan resulted in profound intolerance to glucose and problems with insulin, both of which are potential precursors to diabetes. You only get 30 though, so if you want a bigger supply you may have to buy a couple of boxes. It's vegetarian, but it contains caramel color. Search caramel colors under Fire Center for Science in the public interest. Spy class of caramel colorants seems to matter. That said, it would be nice to know the ratio of kelp oil to safflower oil. This is a much better way to get your omega-3s than from fish oil. Omega-3 is from algae, which is where the fish get their omega-3s anyway, so cut out the middleman, the fish, and get it straight from the algae yourself. The leaking capsules looked split, and many were empty, having leaked out their oil into the bottle, all over the other capsules. This could be a great product, but they include garbage like sorbitol and carrageenan in the other ingredients. So when combined you think you're getting a product that makes you healthier, but instead you're potentially getting stomach irritation, or potentially even cancer. All of the essential omega-3s that a vegetarian vegan needs. The taste is pretty good in these little gel tablets too. However, at this point in time, one can be thought to reasonably assume that companies understand the risks of chemical carcinogens like carrageenan and caramel color, which is banned in the state of California. By the way, these are completely unnecessary additives, and only serve to turn an otherwise healthy product into a toxic waste of money. The addition of these components, of which the companies have full awareness of the associated hazards, is reprehensible. Being a vegetarian, it is so nice to have the option of receiving omega-3s in way that meat-free. All it says is to take one a day, and even that is difficult to find on the label, especially for those who have difficult eyesight. The bottom line, with larger gel caps which are not too difficult to swallow, this supplement does seem to perform like omega-3 oils which are taken from fish sources. But alas, even though they smell like a mermaid's butt, there was no fishy taste, or fish burps. Definitely sticking with these. The company is great to work with, and always sends good product, in a quick pace. Algae Omega, by Nordic Naturals, now has the most algae-based omegas, for the best price. But if you look at the ingredients, it only has a total of 450 mg adding DHA and EPA. Algae Omega, however, states that it contains 750 mg, and, if you add up the omegas on the ingredient list, the total is actually 750 mg. Saucero Nordic Naturals Algae Omega, Eye Health, Heart Health, and Optimal Wellness, 120 Soft Gels FFP. Carries no unpleasant aroma, or aftertaste, and so far, it's been very easy to digest. The price has doubled since 2012, and the last 2 bottles had broken capsules, and stinky oil all over the unbroken capsules. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.